My name is Bryce. We're at the Painesville Speedway right now for the last round of the Slideways Showdown. We got some tandem comps later. We got party lanes going on, 3 to 4 car tandems here, and hopefully have a good time and shred some tires.
Hello, my name is Brian Stoneman. I take photos sometimes. I'm okay at it, I guess. I like it because I made a lot of really cool friends, especially people like this guy over here named Bryce.
Nathan Sell. I like doing drift media because it's fun, it's crazy, you get some dope ass shots, and you try and not die.
My name's Andy, screen name Broom 4-banger. I like coming out to these drift events because, you know, we slide into DMs. Somebody's got to do it.
Hi, so yeah, I'm Nick Artari. I drive a 1994 BMW 3 Series with LS swap in it. I just love drifting. I came to an event with a couple buddies 4 or 5 years ago. Just fell in love with it. I was like, I gotta do this. So I made it happen. I got an old chassis from a buddy. We built it over the years and just drive, man. It's fun.